Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to enable file indexing on Synology NAS. So to get started, we'll do quick and straightforward guide. So the first thing to do is to open a web browser, then go to your Synology NAS IP address or quick connect URL, then log in with your admin account. Then after that, from the main menu, click on Control Panel, and in the control panel, go to index service. On the other DSM version, just search settings, which is on newer DSM version like DSM X7. Then after that, you have to click index folder, then or add. Then browse and select the folders you want to enable index for. Then choose the type of files to index, which is the document, music, photos, or video. Then after that, you have to confirm and apply. So click on OK or apply to save your settings. So indexing will begin automatically in the background, and that's how you can simply enable file indexing on Synology NAS. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.